Our intelligence have verified that the barbarous attack at the Baler detachment has been perpetrated by Commander Rosas and his squadron.
Sir, sino ba yung Commander Rosas na yan at hindi mahuli-huli?
Isa lamang siyang dating zone commander sa Southern Luzon. Pero ngayon, ay siya na pinipila ng Supremo. At dahil sa magandang record na ipakita mo, I am assigning you to track down that elusive rebel leader. And Lieutenant Reyes will be your immediate superior officer.
Sir.
Come in.
Sir, here are the records we gathered concerning the movements of Commander Rosas and his group.
Pag-aralin niyo mabuti ang dapat niyo gawin. Kapag nagtagumpay kayo, it might pave the way for promotion for both of you.